Alright, if you don't already have SmartOS, you can go here, smartos.org, download an ISO or USB key image. I recommend the ISO. If you want to upgrade, all you got to do is burn a new CD, pop it in, reboot, and you're done. If you need to roll back, swap out to the old CD, reboot, you're done. Um, but let's pretend that the heat is on. Your boss just asked you to bring up a new server real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and SSH into my SmartOS box. And SmartOS guest definitions are defined with JSON. So I've got one here I've created as an example, and pretty straightforward. Pay attention. I want to give it 2 CPUs, 2 gigs of RAM. The host name that's going to be passed over DHCP should be testing. The alias that's going to show up in our management tool, which I'll show you in a second, is going to be testing as well. The image UID, obviously this is not a UID, it's actually a file system name under the zone Z pool that SmartOS uses. Generally that's going to be UID with -disk0 on the end of it, but in our case we've got a file system called Ubuntu 11.10. Here's the IP that the guest is going to have, and I've got a ping going for that IP over here. So let's list our existing ones. There's our aliases over there. You can see that testing isn't among them. So I'm going to redirect the testing into the vm-adm create command. So there we go, it returned. Now, since we had auto boot true on that, I can look at the logs under zones, file system name, root, temp, vm.log, and we can see that it's booting already. So any second now, and we should start getting our pings back. So now we're going to go ahead and SSH into the box, and there we go. We're done.